Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. This vehicle is featured in stone blue with gray cloth seats and alloy rims. Under the hood is a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. This truck features hands-free, 3 front seats, lined truck bed, Bluetooth audio, and much more. Onto the front interior, we have some black leather, chrome door handle, power window and mirror controls, as well as our unlock and lock buttons. Storage in the door in multiple compartments. Main front speaker. Getting in the front, we can see our cloth front seats with a manual seating adjustments on the left. Hopping in the truck now. Off to the left, we have our lighting controls and dimmer switch. The wheel itself. On our left, we have our cruise control. You can see our cluster. We can start up the truck now to see more of that. Infotainment screen with Bluetooth audio. Rear view mirror with a couple buttons beneath. Our climate control, as well as traction control and our dome light buttons. Underneath we have some storage, as well as a 12-volt input, optional 2- and 4-wheel drive, and our gear shifter just off to the right. In the middle we have our center console. Plenty of storage, cup holders, as well as this is also a 3rd front seat. Up to the roof now, we have a sunglasses holder, our dome lights, and we can see our passenger side of the truck. Okay, onto the exterior, we have our GMC black alloy rims, chrome elevation badging, as well as 4x4 badging, color matched mirror caps with a blind spot mirror, color matched door handles, as well as a rear privacy tint. Coming along the back of the truck, we can see our truck bed cover, GMC badging, as well as Sierra and our hitch. We'll open up the back now to see our nice lined truck bed and our cover. Plenty of space. Onto the rear interior now, we have some more black leather and chrome door handle, power window, storage in 3 different compartments, as well as our rear speaker. Rear cloth seats. Hopping in the back, we have magazine holders on either of the back of the front seats. A little bit of storage in here. Pull down hooks and handles on each side, and dome lights. Look at our rear. Very spacious and very comfy. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we hope to see you in Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.